One into one and all. This is T of the Hussain from second year mechanical SRIT college. My topic is my topic is about interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment among the four orders of nature. Introduction to the four orders of nature. Four orders of nature include the mineral, plant, animal, and human orders. Each order plays a critical role in the ecosystem, contributing to the balance of life. Understanding their interconnectedness enhances our appreciation of nature's complexity. In mineral order, there is soil, water, etc. Plant bio order, plants, herbivores, etc. In animal order, animals, birds, etc. In human order, human beings. The mineral order. The mineral order provides the essential building blocks for life, including nutrition and minerals. Rocks and minerals contribute to soil formation, which is vital for plant growth. They also play a role in regulating nature processes such as water cycles and climates. And here are the some elements. Microelements are N, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And secondary elements are calcium, magnesium, sulfur. Microelements are iron, boron. The plant order. Plants convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, forming the foundation of the food chain. They provide oxygen and are essential for maintaining atmospheric balance. Plants offer habitat and nutrition for various animal species, protecting biodiversity. And here we see that how the process of photosynthesis. And here the sunlight gives to the plant and oxygen, carbon dioxide, take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Next, the animal order. Animals depends on plants for food and shelter, creating a symbiotic relationship. They also contribute to the pollination of plants and the dispersal of seeds. Animal behavior such as grazing and predation help regulate plant populations and maintain ecosystem health. What is communalization? Communalization Communalization is a type of relationship between two living organisms in which one organism benefits from the other without harming it. Tree frogs use plants as protection. Cattle critters eat the insects eaten up cattle when they are grazing. Golden jackals, once they have been expelled from a pack, will trail a tiger to feed on the remains of its kills. The human order. Humans have the unique ability to impact all other orders through technology and agriculture. Our survival is strictly linked to the health of the mineral, plant, and animal orders. Understanding our role can lead to more sustainable practices that benefit all forms of life. అంటే మనుషులు అనేవాళ్ళు కోతుల నుంచి వచ్చినారు, అందరికి తెలిసిండేదే. అంటే మనం ఎలా ఎవల్యూషన్ అయినాం, ఫస్ట్ కోతి నుంచి తర్వాత మనిషి వరకు అనేది ద హ్యూమన్ ఆర్డర్ మనం తెలుసాలి. Interconnectedness among the orders. The interdependence of the four orders creates a balanced ecosystem that supports life. Disruption is one order can lead to cascading effects throughout the entire system. Recognizing these connections fosters a sense of responsibility toward environmental stewardship. Interdependence. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు ఇంటర్డిపెండెన్స్ అనేది ఏందో. Mutual fulfillment in ecosystems. Mutual fulfillment occurs when the needs of one order support the survival of another. For example, plants fulfill the needs of animals, while animals help plants reproduce. The reciprocal relationship is vital for sustaining biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం బతకడానికి ఏందో ఒకటి కావాలన్నమాట. అట్లా అట్లా మనము ఉన్నాయనేది దీంట్లో తెలుస్తాం. Mutualism is a type of symbolizes where two or more species benefit from each other. Humans and gut bacteria, bees and flowers, glowfish and awesome, ants and aphids, leeches, fungi and algae. Human impact on nature. Human activities have significantly altered the balance among the four orders. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten the interconnection of ecosystem. Sustainable practice can mitigate these impacts and promote harmony among nature's orders. Causes of tropical deforestation 2000 to 2005. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు డిఫారెస్టేషన్ రాను రాను కొద్దీ పెరుగుతుంది. చెట్లను నరకడం, మళ్ళీ పొల్యూషన్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయడం, అలాగే మనం క్లైమేట్ చేంజెస్ కూడా చూస్తున్నాం ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో. సడన్గా వాన రావడం, సడన్గా ఎండ పడడం, అది ఎందుకంటే మనం పొల్యూషన్ వల్ల. అది కాక మనము ట్రీస్ అనేది చాలా వరకు కట్ చేస్తున్నాం, దీన్ని కాపాడుకోలేకపోతున్నాం. అందుకే మనం ఎప్పుడైనా ట్రీ కట్ చేసినా కూడా మనం ఒక చెట్టు నాటాలన్నమాట. అట్లా pathways to sustainability. Implementing sustainable agriculture can enhance the health of both plant and animal orders. Conversion effects can protect mineral resources and promote healthier ecosystems. Education and awareness are key to fostering a culture of respect and interdependence among all orders. Agriculture sustainability. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు అగ్రికల్చర్లో మేము ఏమేమి యూజ్ చేస్తామని. లొకేషన్, క్రాప్ టైప్, మెషినరీ, ఫర్టిలైజర్స్, agrochemicals, storage, transportation, stakeholders, cultivation process, economic visibility. అంటే మనం అగ్రికల్చర్లో ఏమేమి యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనేది ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాం. In conclusion, embracing interconnectedness. Recognizing the interconnectedness among the four orders of nature is essential for survival. Mutual fulfillment creates a web of life that sustains and enriches our planet. By embracing this interconnection, we can work towards a more balanced and harmonious existence. Feel free and material order, soil, water, etc. Human order, human beings, animal order, birds, etc. Plants, plants, plant bio order, plants, herbivores, etc. స్టార్టింగ్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం అన్నమాట. And thank you for giving this golden opportunity.